Hey, thank you so much everyone for following us. It's been a while. Let me show you. This is Miss Guana at 4 months old. Hey Coco, come on, go pee pee. Go, go. Yeah, we've been getting hit by a very bad weather in the past few weeks. So that's why we haven't been able to post any new videos. So she's out to do her business, and then I will be bringing out Tarzan to act up. So catch you in a bit. And here's Mr. Tarzan. He's eating ice as usual. He loves to eat ice. Tata. Good boy. Good boy. So yeah, they usually go out a few hours, but since it's been a bad weather here. Oh yeah, and this is a slipper that they just ripped apart. The older ones, of course. He just likes to eat and play, and I try to get them out a few hours every day, but with the weather going on like that, it's very hard to take them out or to leave them out to play around. So yeah, he's out doing his business. I just wanted to give you guys an update on how they look now. So as you see, Tata. Well, thank you so much again for following us, and stay tuned for more updates.